All right, you guys have seen me cook, but you've never actually seen me in my real kitchen. This is my kitchen. So I wanna show you guys my pantry. I wanna show you my refrigerator. And I just wanna, show you what goes down in the Tia Mowry's Quick Fix Kitchen. Come on in, let's go. You guys, look at this. This was on the kitchen counter. I just had to share with you. I mean, this is what you're gonna get when you actually go into my real kitchen. This is Cairo's artwork. I don't know what that is. I think that might be a bug or a spider. She's afraid of bugs. Here are my books. So this is Whole New You, and I have many, many recipes in here. And then this one is the Quick Fix Kitchen. Now, I'm telling you, these recipes, I have done every single one of them and have made every single one of these meals for my kids in this kitchen, and they just absolutely love it. This is one of their favorites, the Italian pot pie. Of course, the creamy mac and cheese. It is so good. In the kitchen, we have what we call the tower. So this is something that Cairo will get in because, it's like a little ladder for her. And she's able to cook with me and help me in the kitchen, because she's tiny, she's a toddler. So when she's in this, she's able to, reach the counter and just have fun. With mommy, with Cree. This is her high chair, y'all. So this is where Cairo sits in the morning. There's a lot of multitasking that goes here. She's eating, I'm doing her hair. She also will do some artwork and just play with her toys here, and Cree's like always sitting over here somewhere. I'm over there or either next to Cree, but this is where we hang out when we eat. Okay, so come on. Some people store their knives on the top of their countertop, like in a knife block. I like to put mine in a drawer. And so I just think this is really, really cool. I just think that the knives stay really nice and sharp this way. This one right here, the brand Global, it's fantastic. It is just really, really good. I feel like one of the main essentials that you need when you start to cook, or if you're a beginner, or just if you love to cook, is to invest in a great knife. So this is the stove. This is the magical stove that I'm always cooking on. What I love about this stove is it has a faucet and water comes out. And many people, when they come over to my house, they're like, wow, why do you have that there when you have, a faucet right here? It's because when you're making big pots, especially during Thanksgiving, so if you're making mac and cheese or even collard greens, or if you're making a stock, carrying water is pretty heavy from here to here. So if you just wanna put the pot here, fill it up there, it's just easier. All right, so this is my spice rack. I like to keep, again, this organized. So I go ahead and just put all of my spices in this cute little container here, and then just put the name of the spice there. God, I love onion powder, y'all. Onion powder, celery powder, Creole seasoning, y'all. You gotta have some Creole seasoning. Creole seasoning is thebomb.com. And then also Lowry's. Man, if you don't have Lowry's in your kitchen, I'm definitely gonna give you the side eye as a cook. No judgment. Oh, then Old Bay too. Old Bay seasoning. So good. This is the kids' drawer. The kids love pancakes, right, in the morning. Really, who doesn't? When I make my pancakes, I always like for them to be just, I don't know, really cute and perfect. So I'll go ahead and, kind of make a pancake batter and then put the pancake in here so that it's really nice and perfect and round. Or what I'll do is I'll make a big pancake, and then I'll just go ahead and kind of use this kind of cute little cookie cutter to make, the pancake with. These cute little things are the best, and Cairo loves them. So let's see. When we are making her lunch, And she has like the deli meat. So say for instance, she loves the turkey slices. What we'll do is we'll use these cutters into the turkey slice, and she'll have like turkey slices that look like airplanes or a little kitten or a little fish, and she loves it. I just think it's just a cute way to have the kids eat their food. You know what I mean? Like when it's really nice and fun and playful, then the kids are gonna wanna eat their food. And it's been great for Cairo. Cairo and Cree love being in the kitchen. That means a lot to me because I'm in the kitchen. I swear, one of these days, I feel like the kids are gonna take over the channel. Like it's gonna be Cairo and Cree quick fixed, which will be really, really cool. So you might call me crazy for having glass cabinets, because sometimes people don't necessarily want people to see what's on the other side. But I do. I think it's really cool to see what you have in your kitchen, and it just feels like very raw and kind of like organic. But we actually use these plates and bowls. I like to put salads in this bowl. Sometimes what I'll do is if I've made like biscuits or fried chicken, I'll go ahead and just put some towels in here or just kind of like a napkin and just throw everything in here and serve. This is really cool because this is like a puzzle. So I'll just kind of like put this together and then put it on the table, and this could be like a charcuterie board. And then again, we have like some more bowls. So if we're having a party, if we have people outside in the back, you know, swimming in the pool, I'll put like chips and salsa. This is actually from my line here. But yeah, these are like great serving bowls. I love wooden serving bowls. I just think they're just really cool. I feel like whenever this is open, it kind of makes me accountable to keep it clean, you know? So yeah. Now onto the fridge. Let's see what we have here. This is how you know that I have kids. Because basically all of this stuff is for them. Everything is labeled. So we have our butter here. And then we have the wellness section. So this is actually a mixture of my stuff and my daughter's. I love this stuff. I don't know if you guys have seen this around, but it's just a great supplement. It just is really good for like cleaning out your, just your organs, you know what I mean? Like your liver and all that good stuff. This is a good probiotic. So it's called BioK. And this is the rice, I guess, supplement. They also have it like in a dairy form, but I like the rice supplement. So this is BioK. Here are some packets for Cairo. So this is a fruit blend. So this has apple and blueberry, and she loves it. She'll just snack on this, or I'll add this to her breakfast in the morning, or even, you know, at dinner, just to make sure that she gets her fruits and vegetables in. Then we have some more condiments here. We have ketchup, mayonnaise, chili garlic sauce. This is so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is definitely a must-have. And then here's some more sauces. We're huge on like teriyaki sauce here. I think it's just something that the kids love. It's a sweet sauce, you know, so it works well on rice or vegetables or chicken. Again, everything is organized. On the top, we have our juices and the milks. So we have apple juice, orange juice. This is Cree's favorite. Cree loves chocolate milk. Like, he absolutely loves it. And then we have some milk here, and then some yogurt and some applesauce. These are just great snacks for the kids when they come home from school, when they're doing their homework, or even in the morning. Cairo loves yogurt. Like, she absolutely loves it. So you know that mushroom powder that just helps with digestion and just wellness? That's what this is. So I like to pre-make it. So in the morning, I just grab it and I go, and then I also have the date on it, so I know how long it's been in the refrigerator for. And then I also have some juices. So this is a beet juice. Sometimes I'll mix it up with carrot juice, but just to have some sort of juice on hand. These are like healthy energy drinks. It gives you the energy of coffee without having that crash. So I really like it. This dispenser here, which I love, it kind of reminds me of like the grocery store. It just keeps everything like organized. I just ordered this on Amazon. And also what I ordered on Amazon is this cool kind of like egg container. So I love the way when you just, you know, grab an egg, it kind of just falls down here. But again, it just keeps everything organized. And I love having this because I can see what I have and what I need. And then these are really cool containers. The reason why I chose these to put in my refrigerator is because fruit, whenever it's just stored, just if you're just throwing it in the refrigerator, it tends to go bad. These containers just allow for the air to come in and out. There's like a nice flow that keeps your fruits and your vegetables fresher. So this shelf here is for like leftover food or stored food. When I'm working a lot, sometimes I don't have time to cook. So what I'll do is I'll just have someone just kind of, or if I'm like really focusing on, like if I'm detoxing, let's just say that. If I'm detoxing and I'm really monitoring like what I want to eat and the ingredients that I'm putting into my dishes, I'll have somebody cook for me. She's amazing. Her name is Melissa, and she puts like little hearts. And this is like it's a vegetable chili that she made for me, and then she'll put the date on it too. Down here, we have our sauces, and you guys, this is kimchi, okay? I grew up on this stuff. Now, if I were to open this, it doesn't smell great, but it is so very good for you. And I lived in Hawaii, I grew up in Hawaii, and there's a huge Korean population there. And usually you would have this with Korean barbecue. So you have short ribs, you have kimchi, you have rice. Yeah. Jesus. Okay. All right, you guys. Now let me show you the pantry. As you can see, I'm chowing down on my cashews. In case you didn't know. So, I am very organized, a very organized person. And I feel like the reason why I am this way is because I live such a crazy, chaotic, fun life, meaning I have a lot going on. So when I get home, I just like to just zen out, and I want to know where things are when I'm looking for them. You know what I mean? Like, I don't need any added on anxiety, but I want to show you guys how I like to store things. I love for my food to be stored in glass containers. And the reason why I love doing that is because I like to see how much of something I have. There are many of times where I've gone to the grocery store and have bought things that I didn't need. And there are many of times when I've gone to the grocery store and didn't buy what I needed. So when I have glass jars, it just shows me right away if I'm doing kind of like a mental check. Then we have our pastas over here. Is it fusilli? The kids love pasta. Cairo will eat pasta all day and every day, and so will Cree, and they love cheese pasta. I just melt down the Parmesan cheese or the mozzarella cheese with a little bit of garlic and some butter, and Cairo's in heaven. And then we have also some rice noodles here. Again, this is like a great gluten-free option. I usually eat more of this than the kids. The kids won't eat the lentil pasta or the rice noodle pasta. Maybe Cree will, because he's really getting into like ramens and stuff like that. My brother Taj is a great cook, you guys. You probably wouldn't know that because he doesn't really share too much of that. But my brother really, really knows how to cook. And he also loves cooking Asian cuisine. So my brother and Cree will make dishes together.
Wow, this is so good.
And it is such a great bonding moment that they have. As you can see, I also have, what do you call these? Labels. So I have everything labeled here. So I have my oils, my vinegars, and my sauces. And I label them so I can remind everyone in the house where they go, you know? Because they tend to just put stuff wherever they want. And I'm like, come on, the oils go where it says oils. It's not that hard. Apple cider vinegar. Let me tell you guys something about this, okay? Apple cider vinegar is so good for you. And I have this little cap here, okay? Because you know I'm all about wellness. Now this smells like feet. Sorry, it smells really bad, but I have this little cap here because what I'll do is I'll just take a shot of it. Shot, 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 shot. But it's so good for you. It's good for your digestion and all of that. So anyway, there we go. And then, I don't know about you, fish sauce. Fish sauce is so incredibly good. It's just a great sauce when you cook with it. It just adds so much flavor to anything, whether that's like a fried rice. I would definitely put some fish sauce in a fried rice, and it is so good. Okay, so those are our sauces and our vinegars and our oils. Now we have some baskets. Now I love using baskets in my pantry because it just adds like a nice kind of decor element to the pantry. It just makes it look beautiful, you know? I don't like to use a lot of sugar when I'm cooking and just when the kids are eating, because first of all, they'll just be bouncing off the walls. The sweetener that we tend to use in the house is either an agave or a honey. Y'all, this is really cool. It has like a nice vegetable mix in here, and I will put this in Cairo's eggs, and she will never know that she's having like added veggies. Then we have here snacks on snacks on snacks on snacks on snacks. So my friends, when they come over here, meaning people my age, my friends, they're like, Tia, you have the best snack station or pantry. And I'm like, yeah, because I have kids. We have the sweet snacks here. So these are like my snacks. This is just like chocolate. I'm a chocoholic. I absolutely love chocolate. And I would just come in here and just snack away on chocolate. I want to make my kids happy and give them what they need, but we got some Oreos in here, y'all. Cairo absolutely loves these. These are just kind of like quick grabs. So these are like snacks that you could just, you know, grab if you're on the go. So Cree, he plays basketball. He has basketball games and basketball practice. And so we just will tend to just grab some of these snacks and just throw it in his sports bag. Here we have the kids' lunch boxes. So this is something, of course, Cree. It says Cree on it. And then this is Cairo's, her lunchbox. It's so freaking cute. Let's see if we can open it up so you guys can see. Look at this. This is adorable. See, it says dairy, fruit, veggies, grains, and protein. And this is just another section of all of her cute dinnerware, or her, you know, her accessories, you guys. She has like, look at all of these cute little bowls that she has. I want to be Cairo when I grow up. Like, I'm in love. She has like her little bowls, you know, pink and purple and all that cute stuff. And then she has her cute little bib, y'all. Like she'll put this on, you know, if she's like wearing a really kind of cute dress. Some people may not think that I would do this or I like this. So you guys, I am a huge fan, and I get this from my dad, of smoked oysters. I'll get like some Mary's crackers, right? And then I'll get some smoked oysters, and then I'll put some tapatio on top of it, and I will go to town. And then you know what I like, you guys? Sardines! I love sardines. They're so good for you. And what I like to do is I just like to kind of like give them a nice saute, and then just put like some salt and just a little bit of olive oil, and then you eat them with crackers too. And the Italians, they eat so much sardines, and it is so good for you, you guys. It's good for your just heart health, brain health, all of that. So that's the pantry. Thank you guys so much for coming into my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed it. And you know, maybe one day I'll cook for you. But right now, I gotta cook for my kids. So y'all, you gotta go.